Hello, welcome to Think Big Digital. Today I will show you how to use mobile dimension of Facebook on laptop or PC. Sometimes we need to use the mobile dimension for editing our profile or managing our page. So for this you can use Microsoft Edge or any Chrome browser. I will just go to Facebook. Open your Facebook account on your laptop or desktop. At the left side you will find your account. Tap on your account. Then right click your mouse. Go to inspect and you will find this three toggle version, and you can also go to this option by keyboard shortcut Ctrl Shift M, then click on this middle option. Now you're directed to dimension on Facebook or Android. You can also choose as per your phone brand here. Let's say I have iPad mini, so this is how the dimension will look like in iPad mini. You can also go back to normal by double clicking this option. Just cross this and there you go. This is it for today. See you in the next video.